hi.
Hi. If I look like stereotype Salman Khan, you do. But it's good.
It's
quality.
okay. Say hi.
Hi. Please cut this out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Get to holiday.
And right now you can save £50 per person. Look at our nails. Show. Actually, don't show.
My nails.
Yay! 3 times of. But mine was so bad yesterday.
Mine is so bad. What's up?
Today's last day of boards. मेरा नहीं, अन्वेषा का.
कैसा लग रहा है आपको? मेरा बोर्ड खत्म हो गया है.
बहुत
मुझे अपने बोर्ड के फ्लैशबैक सारे लाए.
What are we getting?
This.
Wow.
Look at it. Look at what it looks like.
Crazy.
Wow, I look so bad.
I look good.
नहीं.
This is me after both. After I do my makeup up in like for the first time in.
I look crusty, but that's because I'm.
We were here to buy jeans for me. What are we doing?
अभी खोले.
Yes. I did not know that this was gonna happen. By the way, I hate you. Let him open first. I've been waiting for him to see this. Ew. Anyway. He said he wouldn't watch the movie unless
Now
he
I
reads
think I
the
have to
book.
watch the movie.
Now I think you have to. You have to watch it.
Wait, don't tell. Oh my god, I love this book.
Say that line.
Oh.
We don't really like culture because it's cute. We really like culture because it members of the society. Human race, human race is filled with passion. Business, medicine, engineering, law, these are noble pursuits and necessary
In life.
इतना अच्छा भाई मैंने भी
Poetry, romance. करना था तुम लोग को ये सब.
Oh, it matches.
Lovely dog. You look like that. That's why she bought it.
I bought it because it looks like you. Squishy also. Turn it on from nature.
Bro, but is this a one? क्या? I feel bad. अब बोल जब इसको गुस्सा आएगा. क्यों रुक बेटा? क्यों तो क्या? Give me reasons to believe. We can declare Anvesha as the best gifter. Last year she gave
We
me the
can.
broken. I don't think nothing beats the last year's gift.
Oh yeah, but
Yes.
I can't re-gift you the same thing every year. मुझे क्या मैं तो बतख हूँ.
Hello? हाँ, मैं तो बताऊँ.
घोड़ा.
Catching.
Okay. What was I saying? We went to Max.
OMG, my future girl.
I caught Kushal being a pedophile on camera. They're all writing on my shirt. Always. Oh baby doll, I can't move on.
I can't move on, baby doll, waiting on calls, sitting your stations, outcast, miss all Vegas. Dun dun dun, I'll take it all, baby doll, never sleep, lay you down.
But I'm Mr. Anyway. Oh baby doll. I don't know what I'm doing.
जय जवान जय किसान स्वच्छ भारत.
Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
My husband. I'm happy to see my husband.
Okay. Listen, I have this theory. I'm Sharma.
ये द्वारिका की बिल्डिंग है, उसके आगे भी द्वारिका है.
Okay.
शिवजी के नीचे मेरा बाप है, उसके नीचे अभिषेक शर्मा है. Love Shivji, love Abhishek Sharma, love my dad.
विराट.
You said one word, Virat.
Watch cricket also. I don't watch cricket also, guys. Oh, Shawn Mendes.
गाना भी गाता है.
गाना गाता है.
हो गया मेरी टर्न.
बहुत कुछ लिखा है भाई.
But I wish you the best for the rest of your life. ऋषि भैया आए नहीं?
नहीं.
Felt sorry for you when I looked in your eyes.
अरे यार.
Guys, look at my piercing.
Because it hurts, so I'm gonna keep talking about it.
Because if it hurts, it better be good.
Okay, so जा रहे हम लोग ढाबे से.
You are wearing a
She is wearing a. What are you wearing? So namaste.
a surgical.
Surgical raincoat.
It's a surgical coat, those waterproof ones. We could not find a raincoat for Swarnim, so she's wearing that because that's what my mom had.
So aura loss.
Magical badgie.
हम लोग का aura loss हो रहा है. हम लोग normal raincoat में हैं. Oh हाँ, okay.
Something is dripping into my clothes.
This I think yeah.
Seeping into my clothes.
I was digging.
This is me before going to Darjeeling.
Okay. This is me before going. What's wrong with my head? This is me before going to Darjeeling.
This is me before going to Darjeeling. I'm sorry, I'm not. Wait, let me just. This is me before going to Darjeeling. We started to laugh again, bro. It's bad. Yeah.
This is me before going to Darjeeling. This is me before going to Darjeeling.
Okay, so it's raining. We woke up at like 4 a.m. because they video called me. I did not like that. I was gonna wake up at 5:30. It's okay.
No, I was gonna wake up at 4 only.
But I live like 4 hours distance. It's anyway. So then we woke up and then it's currently raining crazy. So we are wearing raincoats with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags and we're going to Darjeeling.
Say hi.
Good evening.
Say hi.
You.
Say hi. किसी का शक्ल नहीं दिख रहा 1 मिनट. You guys will be flashed.
I don't want to flash. I don't like.
Hi. Yo.
आँख में डाल दो ना.
मेरा जिया इलाही मेरा जिया
He changes his personality based on if he's shaved or unshaved. If he's unshaved, he'll be like salons, and if he's like shaved, he'll be like non.
इलाही मेरा जिया
कंधे पे मेरा बस्ता चला मैं जहाँ ले चला मुझे रास्ता फूलों में नहीं गहरे समंदर में ओ इलाही मेरा जिया क्रेजी हो गया गाइस ओके सिंग
It's दरखास्त में कैमरा डिफरेंस देख रहा है
बोला सिंग सिंग
What that has to was
लाइट
That has to back whatever.
मित्रवा कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या
मितवा
ये अच्छा वीडियो ले रहे पीछे बैकग्राउंड बहुत अच्छा
कोई कमाल नहीं रहती
हाय क्या वाइड वो लुक से हाय हाय गाइस ठंडा नहीं लग रहा आई डोंट गिव अ शिट ओ हाय crazy weather
Mist, not fog, it's mist.
पागल है क्या very cold say hi
Hi.
it's so cold say hi
Tarun. Hello.
I was supposed to wear my coat and cup. I did not. I just realized I don't have anything.
wait my outfit is okay eating
Same.
no mine is चल outfit मम्मी का है मेरा है ये कर लिया इन लोग के साथ और ये भी हॉन्ग मार्केट से है फेक
My turn.
ओके
Outfit check. पापा का है पापा. ये दादू का है. Okay.
ये लेट्स गो आउटफिट चेक सब कुछ मेरा है ओके आउटफिट चेक लुक्स क्यूट ओके आउटफिट चेक तरुण
मेरा
हाँ
भाई ऐसे तो देता है.
ओके
Side wall.
Jeans जो I've been wearing for the past 3 years.
Okay, what?
Jeans जो I've been wearing for the past 3 years. Hong Kong market. Shoes I've been wearing for the past 4 years. Adidas. This Decathlon my aunt gave it to me. I have no idea. This Forever 21 I guess. Ben Savannah. पापा का jacket.
डांस करेगा ना
करो वो my hair looks so weird oh
My hair looks bad.
wait
मेरा फलसफा
कंधे पे मेरा वस्ता चला मैं जहाँ ले चला मुझे रास्ता फूलों में कहीं बटरफ्लाईज है हम कम 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 ये हमारी काफी
Huge pimple, bro. Nonchalant, I'm gonna beat you up. Look here and smile. हंसो भैया. Ouch, ouch, ouch. मैं तो अभी अंडे से ही निकला. Waiting Momo.
मतलब सोया नहीं सोया
I slept for 4 hours.
सोया नहीं सोया समझो
Okay, Panda and UP वाले uncle. Hi guys.
कोई गिरे नहीं बस
मैं तुम
मेरा
नहीं.
एंजाइटी मेरा पिया घर आया
We have Dadaji का unwanted grandson that he did not want. We have nonchalant.
turn the camera here turn the camera here no one thing
This is my dad.
सुबह सुबह 6 बजे कितना एनर्जी था अभी कितना बज रहा है
8:20 शायद.
इसका अलग मेन कैरेक्टर मोमेंट चल रहा है
2 सेकंड nonchalant होता है.
स्लो सॉन्ग दिल अभी भरा देगा यो दिल नहीं भरा So we've reached. What are you looking for?
आधार कार्ड
वो आधार कार्ड चाहिए क्या? You are just my. Say hi guys.
नमस्ते आज हम पहुंच चुके हैं दार्जिलिंग में
SBI. दिखाओ ऋषि भैया व्यू दिखाओ.
इतनी सुंदरता कभी देखी नहीं मैंने दार्जिलिंग की ब्यूटी यही है मैं तो इधर ही फोटो दार्जिलिंग दार्जिलिंग के लिए लोग इधर स्पॉट
भाई यही देखने आए हम लोग.
हम लोग एक्चुअली ये देखने आए हैं.
Hey. So we've checked in.
Girl things, girly pop things.
She's the one who made the list and she hasn't got half the stuff. I told everyone to bring 2 shoes, at least 1 chappal. I got 1 shoe that I'm wearing right now and no chappal. I told everyone to bring 2 jackets, 2 sweaters. I only got 2 and 2 tops. I only got 2 tops, no sweater, no jacket. I told everyone to bring 2 pajamas like bahar jane wala bottoms and 1 pajama. I only got jeans and 1 bahar jane wala bottom.
Our view. And then you look down and you can see other people enjoying the view.
We were supposed to get that one.
Anyway. क्या हुआ?
What's my neck try?
So useful. Where do we show me your face? इधर देखो ना. Turn around. Look at what you see. We were in गाड़ी. Everyone but Swarnim, me and Tarun, everyone slept, I think.
So me, Kushal, Rishi slept.
Yeah. 3 people slept, 3 people did not. There was a time when Vedavi was like completely on me and I was sitting like this and Swarnim was she's like isko hata. I'm like उठ जाएगी. See, I'm so nice. Vedavi, show me.
Like I said, I didn't bring anything. Anvesha lent me a top and I feel better now because I look good in it and I have
You do look good in it.
Because it's your
Amazing. Okay, Swarnim, show your outfit. Hey, baddie.
She's so formal. No, you're wearing something on
You
top.
look so good.
You're wearing something on top. You're wearing something on top. Huh?
What?
आँखों से हटाया चश्मा आँखें तो मिलाओ जी दुनिया में चाहे जो भी बोले हमसे ना शर्माओ जी है घर फोन को उठाओ जी और डैडी को मिलाओ जी उनके फ्यूचर सन इन लॉ की बात उनसे करवाओ जी. हेलो अंकल नमस्ते. चलो काम की बात पे आते हैं. अब आप ये पूछेंगे कि समथिंग कितने कमाते हैं. जितना आपकी बेटी 1 महीने में उड़ाती है उतना तेल मेरी गाड़ी एक हफ्ते में खाती है. घर है पैसा है घर है पैसा है गाड़ी. अब 2 जोड़ों में लड़की भेजो लड़की हुई हमारी अंकल घर है पैसा है गाड़ी. अब 2 जोड़ों में लड़की भेजो लड़की हुई हमारी. ओके बाय. Why do I know Honey sings so much right now? It's concerning. Wait, fit check. Anvesha, stop. My jeans from Uncle's Market. These jeans that they made me buy yesterday. Wait, I'll also do this.
Is this looking nice or am I looking fat? You look good. No wait.
Tug out kar lo.
Hi, I'm Zudio and this is my audition for Swarnim.
Wait, I also want to do.
Hi, I'm Valerie. This is my audition for Rashi Pagal Khana. Hi, I'm Anvesha. This is my audition for Bhoot Bangla. Audition as a ghoda.
Oh yeah, this is my audition as a ghoda. Tug bang to me. We should all just do.
बालों का रंग सुनहरा,
जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा.
बालों.
Honey Singh version.
कैसे देखो तेरी आंखें. Whose version? चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, बालों का रंग सुनहरा, कैसे देखूं तेरी आंखें, तेरी आंखों में चश्मे का पहरा. अब चश्मे को हटाओ जी, देना शर्माओ जी. उसके बाद हम वी डिड तब ऑल्सो बार बार नहीं कर सकते,
बार-बार नहीं करेंगे.
कॉपीराइट हो जाएगा. इतना अच्छा गाते हैं हम लोग, कॉपीराइट हो जाएगा.
This highlighter.
Yes, use the white one.
I have never had highlighter. I'd use highlighter my entire life.
Highlighter is like इधर से कुछ चमक रहा है ना. Highlighter की वजह से.
पहला बार लगा रहे हैं हम, ये पता नहीं क्या है. अच्छा लग रहा है, कुछ तो टेस्ट है इसमें.
Lol.
Why are you
Why is like 10 minutes? Sorry, it's 1 minute.
such glamorous videos?
Please don't.
Kushal, hold this. Film it. Wait, it has to be guess what the temperature is.
Guess what the temperature is, guys?
Look at Kushal's outfit. This is Swarnim's outfit. I don't know what she's doing. This is Riti's outfit. Wait.
चाहिए खून, खून दो हमें.
This is Tarun's.
ऐसे क्या
This is Anvesha's. Look at mine. Oh.
हमें चाहिए खून.
Don't think you guys should be following Rishi by the way.
I know my ways.
I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Where are we going? Either. Guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is.
आजादी दूंगा.
I'm just gonna ignore this dude. And this is. We are all here. Gang.
जिंदगी.
Day 1. We are only here for 1 day.
काफी तरह की होती है. नहीं 2 days.
हाँ, we are alright. ये दो टीम में 2 टीम.
मैं ना पढ़ाई करने में 8-8 घंटा वापस 8-9 घंटा because I have to RCB since and I have no realization.
अरे हल्ला मत करो, हल्ला मत करो.
they like
Where the sun is hitting.
disrespectful.
And otherwise I'm KKR.
मैं चाहता हूँ फर्स्ट मैच में ये लोग रन नहीं बनाए, उसके बाद आरसीबी के साथ जितने मैचेस
अब
हैं
तो
अभिषेक
अभिषेक तू रन बनाएगा. अभिषेक तू रन बनाएगा.
watching cricket मेरे को बुला लेना, मैं KFC लेके आऊंगी.
Okay. Because we feed everyone.
What is your opinion on the dogs here?
The dogs, they look fat and juicy. They're very big, man. I like big things.
It sounds good when a pure vegetarian is saying that, but when a non-vegetarian says that, it's suddenly a problem.
है ना, महाकाल मंदिर.
Hi.
Same. Okay, say hi, भैया.
Hi.
How do you feel coming here?
I'm feeling nothing.
Happens.
Yeah.
How do you feel coming here?
I zoned out.
Same.
That's what I feel like.
Me too, but it's okay.
Tired. I'm sleepy, but like I don't mind. Like I'm having fun, but I like don't.
She is zoned out right now.
She's zoned out.
How do you feel coming here?
Side quest is finding myself. बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
Anyways, I got this. She also got that. Everyone got this. We should take a picture.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nothing.
नहीं उसको लगता है वो नहीं माना, मेरे को फील नहीं होगा. He thinks उसको फील होगा अगर मेरे को लगा नहीं. क्रैश आ गया.
क्या हुआ है बताओ. Update the vlog. Update the vlog.
तो मेरे को लगता
He said something very violating because Kushal did something to him very violating.
So, my name is Kushal Advani,
No one asked.
and I am the most attractive man on
No,
this entire
no,
goddamn
okay,
planet.
no,
Right now, oh my god, I look so good. Matlab, wow.
and move on.
I can move on, baby doll. I love.
जय श्री राम.
Jai Shri Ram.
जय श्री
Hands
राम.
up.
Jai Shri Ram.
You are
Richard.
what? Okay, thank God you understood the assignment.
Chandler.
Phoebe.
Do you know who Phoebe is?
I'm Monica. Blonde. Look at my hair.
हूँ कुछ तो.
This is Monica hair.
कुछ तो
Whatever.
बोलना Ross.
Please बोलना.
He's like Ross only.
Hey guys. Say hi.
Hi.
I love her hat, bro.
This was when I was 4 years old. I got it with my brother.
You still have it. That's crazy. That's crazy, I know.
So to update everyone, I look so horrid. I look crusty, but I don't care. Love yourself.
Love yourself.
There are enough haters in the world.
Healing Palan Indian.
There are enough haters in the world. You cannot hate yourself. Love yourself. We're gonna update. So update.
Update.
What was the update? This
Update was.
we don't know where Kushal is. This is the update. We don't know where Kushal is. Wait.
Some of phone addicts hai. Look at the view. Can't say
I'm
anything.
just
Exactly.
replying to people.
People
So
don't
update.
even text me. Why? Who do I even reply to?
I text the people I text are with me in this trip.
Look,
So.
Instagram खोल के देखो 0 messages.
ओए खोलो तो
9 hours
कुशल
ago,
होगा.
Kushal liked a message.
खोलो ना दरवाजा.
Please listen to Vedavi's update.
Okay, so we came.
मेरा वॉच बंद हो गया at 11:38.
How does this happen all the time?
बोलो बोलो.
This is me giving update. We came from where? No idea. Okay, so we arrived in Darjeeling. And then the first thing we did was get into the room, and then we girls dressed up. And then you guys saw this already. By this time, you guys have seen this already. This is like the thing they do know while editing. I'm wearing a sweatshirt because I don't care. I didn't ask also.
से उधर देख. Which one is better than which one?
पहले भी लिखा था, but it's too.
Say hi.
Good evening.
उसमें तेरा नाम लिखेगी तो सही लगेगा.
Okay. Say hi.
Afternoon. Hi.
Say hi.
Bye.
Say hi.
iPhone. Yes, love it. Hi.
Throw कितना अच्छा land हुआ वो.
Hey
पीछे कर
guys.
बे पीछे कर.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
2,000 years later.
Kushal, what did you do? Kushal. Kushal. What did you do?
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है.
चाबी गिरा दिया कुशल ने.
पेंसिल होगा तो निकाल.
Same thing I said twice.
Can I pull off cap? I think I can.
अरे उसमें डाल.
Even though it does not fit also on my head.
वो नहीं जाएगा. वो straight है.
अगर डाल भी तो निकालूंगा.
Vedavi, explain what happened.
Kushal, I told since the first time we arrived. 3 minutes after I cut the call, then I called again. Then 3 minutes.
She does not want to talk to her grandma. Okay, what happened?
So we arrived here. The first thing I said when we talked about Chabi was Kushal को चाबी नहीं देने. And then it's not his fault, honestly, उसका गलती से.
चाबी गिर गया बेड के अंदर basically and now we don't know how to get it.
मैग्नेट है क्या कहीं के?
हाँ मैं तो मैग्नेट लेके घूम रही हूँ. This.
Give me my straightener. My mom wants us to make these and she keeps sending me different people doing it.
Okay, for 1,000 rupees, would you do this with your mom?
Yeah.
Honestly, same.
नहीं एक बार उठा एक बार. इसको
बायर के ऑफिशियल असाइनिंग का काम है. बायर के सभी एसेट्स को कंट्रोल में लेना.
हाँ अब लेफ्ट की तरफ.
So, Vedavi, how do
I
you
was
feel?
the first one to realize कि मेरा भी कंट्रीब्यूशन है बहुत ज्यादा.
मेरा भी गिराने का चाबी.
मैं टोपी ट्राई कर रही
I would like to thank my parents for giving birth to me for this exact reason.
I would also like to
चल चुप चुप चुप.
I will tell you all what happened. The chabi was stuck. Aisa, we'll push it. No, so Aisa, I will push it. It's okay. But I shoved my hand inside this patla gali.
Yes, patla gali, you shoved hand.
हैंगर मेरे को मिला था. मैंने खोला वो अलमारी.
Okay. And okay. So everyone did great. I did great. I look amazing.
अब मैं मेरा फोन
And
चार्ज लगा के
conclusion is
आता
I
हूँ,
look
तब तो मर
amazing.
गया हूँ.
And Vedavi is amazing. And Kushal is good.
I also did great.
I am amazing too. I am amazing too, of course.
And Kushal is good. Tired. Look at my hair, guys.
Was a good group activity. At least
Shut up. What was the group
At least we did
activity?
something.
Okay, listen to me. Flashlight, hear me out. Flashlights, you know when you're giving flashlights और दो तरफ there's like obstruction and you put directly there, वो light वहाँ नहीं दिखता. You have to make it reflect. You have to like put flashlight दीवार पे वहाँ पे reflect होके नीचे जाता है. He's putting flashlight. I cannot see the chabi at all. His purpose was to show flashlight, show chabi. वो भी नहीं.
Okay.
बाद में मैंने किया ना मैं see people learn and I did
People
learn.
don't learn. I pushed the phone.
He said it's a fun group activity. अरे भाई चाबी गिरा दिया. We could have played never have I ever.
That type of person in Monopoly who you make the banker.
Yeah. Why am I so loud?
No, I don't think I would handle that
My
well.
voice echoed.
This is my dad's.
Oh my god, this is not कंघी अंदर चला. My voice literally echoed.
फिर भी जोर से बोल रही है. This is the view.
Guys, look at my topi.
This is the fit.
तुषार का कंघी अंदर चला गया. आप क्या कर रहे हो?
I think this is a curse. I think this is a curse.
Fossil मिला है guys. Look at my dance. Oh baby.
Cut. Hamza went to that
अरे
Coke,
धुरंधर.
वो वाला शॉप, सोडा वाला. पहला दिन तो वो रखा नहीं था, है ना?
अरे bro,
He was staying outside. How did that man not know that he is?
तेरे को बोला पार्ट 2 देख.
Said there's another and looked right in my eye. My first love
सफाई
from
की
my
देवी.
heart. First time and I was like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby,
कैमरा भी लगा है.
baby, no, like, baby, 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 oh. Thought you'd always be mine. When I was 13, I had my first love. There was nobody that compared to my baby, and nobody
I am
compared to someone
better
ever came
than
above. She had me going crazy. Oh, I was starstruck. She woke me up daily. Don't need no Starbucks. I can tell you. I can take you with me if you really wanna go. Oh, baby. ये तब से पढ़ रहे हैं. This is like peak पढ़ने वाला बच्चा कहीं भी पढ़ लेगा. Okay, ऋषि भैया इस पढ़ने वाला बच्चा कहीं भी पढ़ लेगा. I am टोपी वाला बच्चा can pull off any टोपी.
Even a jawline so perfect, even a scissor would be ashamed.
अभी तू पेपर काट के दिखा. खड़ा हुआ जो. We can climb on that roof. This is a partner I needed on my life, bro. Like one bad decision, Chris is like, yes, let's do it.
This is the person that's actually wanted to climb there. This guy.
Where do you guys? Oh yeah, this guy wants to climb where?
Big guy.
This guy, they want to climb on the roof.
Hello, bye. कपड़ा का दुकान में काम. उलाला उलाला.
Ulala, ulala, तू है मेरी fantasy. Chunana, 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 chunana.
Kushal, whether he has better biceps.
I have
Not even kidding.
Loki.
है थोड़ा बहुत तो है.
मेरा कुछ नहीं है.
खोलूंगा ठंड.
मेरा कुछ नहीं है, but it's okay because I have a good heart.
Me too.
मैं दिल की अच्छी हूँ.
मैं भी.
हम सब दिल के अच्छे हैं तो biceps are not.
लंदन ठुमकदा तेरा की साइड में लंदन ठुमकदा पंजाबी ग्लास विच लंदन ठुमकदा हट ओ लंदन ठुमकदा.
It's Tarun's. I stole it.
I was.
It's okay because I look better.
Bumper bola.
नहीं.
Do you have bumper bola from Bumrolistan? It is. Oh, I said, do you have bumper bola? It's from Bumrolistan. It's a type of Viga tablet.
आपका humor समझ के बाहर है.
Tarun is taller than you.
Yeah, he's taller than you now.
What?
Yes.
Good morning. लंदन.
छन से जो टूटे को.
इधर आ.
मैं सबसे लंबी हूँ.
अरे इस तरफ मेरे साथ.
I am clearly taller than both of you, यार.
नहीं मेरे साथ खड़ा.
अरे ले भाई.
नहीं साथ में.
रुको, तुम इधर. Tarun is taller. Come here. I am taller than both of you.
चल.
मेरा बाल का लेंथ थोड़ा कम है.
मेरा. ओह मेरे पास बाल नहीं है.
तुम बढ़ोगे. तथास्तु.
कॉम्प्लान बाय.
I am giving you my height. When I was 13,
बद्री की दुल्हनिया.
I had my first love.
There was nobody
that compared to my baby, and nobody could feel someone ever came above. She
Coca-Cola.
had me going crazy. Oh, I was
Starstruck.
She woke me up
Daily.
daily. Don't need no
Starbucks.
She made my heart pound. At school on the playground.
मम्मा मैं ठंडा जगह पे ठंडा चीज पी रहा हूँ.
But I just keep on saying.
Baby, baby, baby.
Those people, I feel like if I do like, if people do like actually watch it and if some 10 years later like we actually do get like a good number
ठीक है,
of
बाल मेरा
audience,
खराब
I feel like they'll look back to this and be
कब से वो एक
like,
दो
this is
साल
kind
तक
of थोड़ी सी चौक तो थी पहले ये.
And I look good. Same. Then we will go on sponsored trips.
Exactly. And watch sponsored cricket matches.
Okay, I will be there for
and
you.
interview cricketers.
मेरे सुसु जाना है.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
We will see who the Bumrah to my Sanjana is a few years later.
मार्च चल रहा है अभी कोई Santa Claus.
In like 15 years.
This pattern is like
Same.
Santa Claus is coming.
This is a 6-minute video.
It's okay, I'm gonna edit it. Remember my birthday vlog?
You'll cover it. हम लोग का स्कूल का कॉपी ऐसे ही था.
मेरा स्कूल क्या है? मेरा स्कूल साल का है.
ये कौन सा स्कूल है? ये नो स्कूल है.
Including Sanskrit.
Because no one lived there. अपनी बात होता.
We don't talk anymore.
Take you with me if you really wanna go. Oh, baby, don't I can't move on.
होता है.
I can't move on, baby. This is my mic. I can't move on.
Better mic.
Everyone hang out in school.
I can't move on, baby doll. Waiting on calls, flipping through stations. I'm out of class and it's outrageous. Oh, whatever's been
कोई रोकेगा
weighing you down.
कोई रोकेगा नहीं. टॉर्च लेके चलेगा.
Me on Miami concrete, looking for somebody different cause my daddy was a pimp. My mama had her issues, but I miss her anyway. Oh, baby doll. Hard cause I never say never and I barely am alive. On the road to an original place. I am.
GTA 5 वाली walk.
No one cares about your GTA 5 वाला walk.
यहाँ पे आके पॉज हो गया है वैसे.
मैं बस GTA 5 में घूमती हूँ. मुझे कुछ मैं कुछ करती
Of
नहीं.
course.
मैं बस लोगों को थप्पड़ मारती हूँ, गाड़ी में बैठ के लोगों को मारती हूँ और फिर मैं संन्यास ले लेती हूँ.
I do the same thing with my cousin brother का laptop.
I'm going to jump. तुम लोग कल नहीं देखोगे मेरे को ठीक.
हट ना व्यू दिखा रही हूँ.
If Tarun dies, it's because he jumped off a mountain or something. ये सुबह से कितना
Jump
बार
off,
बोल
jump
दिया,
off, jump off, jump off, jump off.
7 times तो हो गया होगा.
वापस कर.
6 7.
का थेरेपी सेशन चल रहा है.
2,000 years later.
We're going to.
Mad road to walk again with my
Hey,
dad.
we're gonna walk, and I'm gonna wear this because my hair looks like ghosla.
Is this too tight?
Swarnim,
I think it's kind of tight.
say hi.
Hi. कद्दू कटेगा तो सब में बटेगा.
मुझे गाने का lyrics नहीं आता.
Exactly.
We're just giving Stranger Things Loki.
What am I giving? Polar bear.
You're giving like C-drama, outfit wise, and she's giving American teen drama.
I don't think they dress up like this.
No, they Loki do.
No, look at.
No, like ये छोड़ के ये सब like she's giving like American teen drama.
Okay.
You're giving C-drama.
I mean, what was the word? Tanya, how what it means is Vedavi. That means hi, hello, my name is Vedavi. But then when you take, if you take
वो हैंडल बाथरूम का तो छूने से वो टूट गया. उसको छुआ बस.
टूट गया कुछ टूटा क्या टूटा.
भगवान is with this intention. I am telling you, this is Bhagwan. और फिर हम
What happened? What happened?
I just touched it. Mummy कसम, I just touched it and it.
What happened?
I was in the bathroom. I was getting out of the bathroom, right? So I obviously have to touch the handle to open the door, right?
Yeah.
So shut up. Let me explain myself.
foreshadowing.
So I just touched it. Mummy कसम.
Okay,
Just
mummy
touched it
कसम.
and it came out.
Do you wanna build a
The proportion no is because that this thing इसका नीचे middle
Just
में pillar
take
होना
it
चाहिए.
by the staircase.
No, I'm saying कि इसके look at the house ठीक है उसके middle में होना चाहिए वो pillar और when you go side से it's like थोड़ा
As justifying my photo अच्छा नहीं आ रहा.
Yeah, because face card is always eating. Face card is eating लेकिन so if the video is good then face card is eating.
It was there.
Bhai, it's okay, Kushal. You did not break the handle on purpose. Bro, Kushal ate.
telling you, this
Okay,
is-
things that happened to Kushal. He dropped Chavi. Wait. And then he broke the handle also. You took some pictures of me. How do you feel?
Bonita.
Do you feel bonita? Yes, I do.
Yes. मेरा response वो बोल रही है मेरे को बोलने के.
Big guy. Big guy. अच्छा लग रहा है. SpongeBob, big guy. Pants okay. SpongeBob, big guy. Hey, big guy.
Wait, I look
Big guy in
weird.
question.
I look weird.
You are weird. What do you mean?
ठंडा ब्रो. It's like नैनीताल की संध्या में बादल सर के ऊपर भिरोक रहे हैं.
शिमला में
Shimla में train something.
Nainital, bro.
But I don't know exactly what you're talking about. Yeah, I know. It's okay. It's been 1 year. This is my time to emote. I can't wait to meet you. Enter the animatronic family. We wake up real soon. This is what we've been so excited to do. We've been excited to sit here and like hang out. I want a talwar. Talwar.
I would.
Who shall do flanked? I will do the thermal thing. 1, 2, 3, go.
I rate my outfit 10 on 10.
I also rate your.
Coffee is 11 on 10.
I rate your this thing 10 out of 10 because it's.
I'm a 20 out of 10.
I'm a million out of 10.
I'm whatever Anvesha is. Because
Why? She's also sick.
100!
We aren't allowed to take pictures. So say hi.
Matlab, who's watching us?
So yeah, that guy is like right there.
Which guy?
Big guy. Okay, so, Arey bhai.
Oh.
Wait, he was like, excuse me.
As stupid as I am. I said bus, because she said bus. I was like chuk chuk. Chuk chuk. ट्रेन का चुक चुक होता है, मैंने बस बोल दिया. सब थोड़े स्लो है, इट्स ओके. मैं एड़ी हूँ. I hope that was not audible.
कैप लगाओ, कैप के बिना कुछ नहीं आएगा ये ट्रिप में.
कोई बात नहीं, आ जा.
मैं क्या बनाऊँ?
सब मिलके. अरे do this. आइसक्रीम खाऊंगी. शो आइसक्रीम खाऊंगी.
I'm not making my video. बोलो.
I will आइसक्रीम खाऊंगी. How can you not do this? Just do this. आइसक्रीम खाऊंगी.
क्या? ऐसे?
अरे आइसक्रीम ऐसे पहले तू लात मार ऐसे. लात मार और हाथ ऐसे कर. इस साइड है ना तेरा हाथ. ऐसे कर.
वो वाला कर लेता है.
ये प्लीज बनाता है ना. ये वाला ठीक है, इजी है ये. वो अच्छा हम लोग डांस करने के लिए किया उसके बाद जो हम सीखा था
आइसक्रीम खाऊंगी.
नहीं आइसक्रीम खाओगे लश्कर करेंगे.
3 मिनट सब करने के बाद थोड़ा सा एम्बैरेसिंग फील हो रहा है.
Positions, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
This is very weird.
We be like that. It's okay.
This sucks.
I know you love me. I know you care. Just shout whenever. And I'll be there. You are my love. You are my heart.
मैं मुसलमान हूँ. कुछ तो बोलते हैं.
मसला तो नहीं उसे मंदिर ले जाओ. कोई मसला तो नहीं. I will also do. Okay. कौन जीतेगा देखते हैं. कुशल को
आपको सम्मानित किया गया.
चलो ना जाओ. अरे यार should I don't need push ups. हाँ करूँ ना. But like it won't be equal though. It will. ये लोग पुश अप करने जा रहे हैं. either ऑरा लॉस होगा नहीं तो ऑरा गेन होगा. क्या करना है? और इसका well hi. Okay, it won't be. What is your opinion on the political state of the world?
Sucks.
He hates falling. He does not.
What is your opinion on that drone over there?
Oh my God, look pretty. Wait. Show me.
What is your opinion on bubbles?
I look so good, wait.
They are, you know, round. That is what they are.
And do you like the feeling you get when you poke them?
This does not sound right. They are round, and do you like the feeling that you?
Have you ever seen someone so dedicated? No.
Tarun, go Tarun. Go Kushal, go Swarnim. Guys. Whoa.
I did 4. This is 27. This is 28. 29. 21 was it 30. 30.
Hey, Swarnim wins.
Swarnim did 30. This is so funny, bro. Swarnim did 30. I don't care. I'm bad.
ये लोग अभी भी कर रहे हैं. What are you guys doing? Wait,
Form is so bad. Your form is not it.
She did 30. You are a loser.
I stopped because of your form.
हो गया Tarun.
So
Actually, the winner is Swarnim because she did 1 million push-ups.
winner is Swarnim because she has me.
Winner is Swarnim because she's pretty, so she gets points for face card.
Winner is Swarnim because she's mine.
Oh, sorry. हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं है फिलहाल. हम लोग कुछ नहीं है. Okay, somebody just thought we are क्या?
Some influencers.
Dance group. ए हम लोग डांस कर सकते हैं यार.
हाँ, very nice. Did you all see the video?
We can dance, guys. I also want to sit in that गाड़ी. मुझे भगा देंगे लात मार के. Guys, मैंने कुशल का इतना अच्छा फोटो खींच दिया था. He's like, I don't want any more photos.
No, as in for
Today. Okay. मैं किसका खींचूं बताओ. Okay. Look, what the Falula. Wait, this should be an inside joke.
Yes.
What the Falula?
What the Falula?
Falula.
Faluda would be
Fa.
1, 2, 3.
Fa. Falula.
Hi guys.
Welcome to
I
my.
make rare appearances, but I make appearances.
You have made a lot of very interesting appearances in this vlog.
What do you mean?
Same. Rishi Bhaiya got us this.
Yes.
Amazing. Okay.
मेरे को तो नहीं लेकर दी.
You are not a girl.
I am so
तो
She is unique. She's unique.
But you all just want to hate on me, don't you?
वो लग भी यूनिक रही है जैसे वो बैठी है. इन दोनों को देखो. डेम्योर. वो मैं तो आदमी हूँ.
It unfortunately won't fit.
कोई बात नहीं. I will keep it because it's so nice.
Can you not fidget with my Kinder Joy?
Can we?
It fits.
Eat a little bit if you want.
Oh wait,
It fits. It fits if you do this.
I think it will fit.
That you are abused like that.
It fit.
Will it fit?
Okay, so I was 5 years old, right? So I was 5 years old. Okay, so I was 5 years old. Okay, and what happened was I got a similar thing as such, and it was only three pieces of this.
Because it's very expensive.
It was only 3 pieces of this. I was so yeah, and this was my.
The only. It's okay. Where did my bracelet even go? Oh, with me. Put the stickers on it. पहले लगा लो.
हाँ, obviously.
तोड़ रही है. देखो ना
ये तोड़ना होता है. वो चॉकलेट क्यों तोड़ रही है?
खाना है कि नहीं?
हाँ, खाना.
I'm not giving you one whole. मैंने लास्ट जब हैरी पॉटर का आया था तब मैं खाई. I have all 3 hands. It's जमा हुआ. Wait, कुशल show this. It's जमा हुआ.
Sorry.
It's जमा हुआ. Literally
चार्जिंग में हम लोग.
मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था भाई. हाँ.
ऐसे ही बात बोलता हूँ, पता किसी को नहीं आता. हाँ.
See, it will fit.
Kinder Joy. I am Joy.
Look guys, Rishi Bhaiya ने दिया. Rishi Bhaiya, how do you feel?
I feel relieved and fortunate to be sitting over here with such great people.
Okay.
Look, this is where my bracelet is.
Can you not?
This is my dad's. This is me. I look crusty, but it's okay. He's flexing his sharp nose. Brahman jeans. I don't have it. Anyways. Brahman jeans. I don't have it.
You have it. No, she does not. Yeah?
You look like your mom a lot. You look like your mom a lot.
I know. Thanks.
I look like a mix
And
of
that's
both.
a
My
very
parents.
good compliment.
No offense, uncle.
He's offended. He's very offended.
Uncle has height card.
Uncle has every card. He has cricket batty card or
His daughter card चुना.
Why did you whisper that?
Because it's on the
ठीक है ठीक है इजी है
Okay, so answer my question now. Mix now.
Yeah, Loki. I think you look like your mom and your brother ka mixture. More than your
My brother
mom.
looks like my dad.
Swarnim is hating on everyone left and
So
right.
if I look like my mother and my brother, I technically look like my mom and my dad.
Yeah, obviously. That's what I'm trying to
Wow, you're
say.
so smart. I figured that out.
That's how ऐसे ही बोर्ड्स में घुमा फिरा के मेरी तरह क्वेश्चंस देते
ऐसे ही
हैं.
मैंने competency based questions किया. ऐसे
Daddy.
science नहीं लिया है मैंने 11.
Yes.
आज का CS choose कौन करता है भाई?
क्यों?
What?
किया but हुआ नहीं.
हम बोर्ड से पहले वही कर रहा था मेरे को बहुत मजा आ रहा
Maths का CS क्यों?
They're talking about maths and science. I have nothing to do with maths and science.
था.
My
Competition
maths paper went well.
I left chapters board.
The end of day 1. Say bye. चल बंदे. Bye.
भाई ये लोग गोरा गोरा क्यों लग रहा है अचानक से ऐसा कोई ना होता है.
क्या?
To buy face wash,
ऐसे ही आज कल के बच्चे.
serums,
Addicted.
आजकल के बच्चे.
Call in 4K.
talking to my friends.
आजकल के बच्चे.
मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे जाने मेरी जाने मन बचपन का ओके बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं
Oh, he's acting nonchalant now that the video is on him.
ओके मिस्टर नॉनचलांट सबको किंडर जॉय खरीद के दिया
See, these efforts, these efforts have been put up by the Rishi Agarwal's organization. Whoa! Big brain,
लगा और डांस कर
हाँ आगे 4 बार.
तू कर
नहीं
इसका स्मेल आ रहा
क्या करना है?
Wallet I put here.
आज वाला
खत नहीं अंकल लाइक की तो कुकर ऐसे देगा नीचे.
This is, if I write Kushal, firstly comes Kushal Advani, then again Kushal Advani.
You guys
Apparently
are just
Kushal
dancing
Advani.
to the background of you.
For some reason also Kushal Advani.
his father का number okay he has so many numbers that you had to do that
10 by 10 appreciation for the name, for the way he saved my contact name.
Depreciation.
10 by 10.
storage
That's a very good song.
लोग खत्म कर.
नहीं
I want you, my baby.
okay अब खत्म ही होगा कुछ अब मैं बस बता रही हूँ इतने तरह of floor oh, I'm sorry I give
Feed be like this. My feed.
क्या है ये मेरे को दिखा भी नहीं
है कुछ
तो क्या करूँ मैं ये देख के
ये देख भाई ये.
तो मैं क्या करूँ ये देख के भाई
क्या हुआ क्यों हंस रहे हम लोग?
ओके ये देखो ये बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है आपको क्या डीवा वाइब्स आ रहे हैं
Why did they even shout?
guys this is my friends
Kushali.
okay it's
I pretend to be asleep with glasses.
it's 1:07 a.m. This is my cat, by the way. No one asked it.
Jai Shri Ram.
Okay, apparently I look like Bhoot right now, so it's okay.
No, either you look like in real life you look pale, but camera may look fine.
Camera be like that. That's why they try to make you look like something you aren't, and then what am I saying, bhai? Good night.
नदियों में नहाइए.
I want 4 hours of ये बात
Absent back. Not feeling the violation she's feeling.
Still haven't.
Gotcha.
Update, we still haven't washed our faces because someone is not bringing toothpaste.
washed our faces मैं तो face wash ही नहीं किया हाँ you can see that chap here see
Yeah,
did
she
you
has
not
not.
wash your face yesterday
My eyes are red, bro. These bitches don't let me sleep. Don't put me saying the B word. I don't say the B word. That was her.
Does not care. He's not even traumatized.
He just does not give a shit.
He's just zoned out. मारो इसको. चलो सब लोग बैठ के मारते हैं.
I don't drink chai also
Sends a text. Hey guy, oh, bro, the first video, the video before this is of me just waking up, so I look bad. So.
Oh, मेरा भी भाई.
Oh my god, National Light crazy, bro.
क्या हुआ?
Light अच्छा है ये देखो इस पे.
खराब करने आ गए.
छोड़ दो.
I'm joking.
ये बंद कर दो guys.
Oh, I had to pack. Shit, wait. You vlog. You are pack करके packing is done. नहीं. अच्छा ठीक है.
हेलो, मेरे को ब्लॉगिंग से मतलब नहीं है, मेरे को फोटो खींचना है.
Video on है.
हाँ, वीडियो में फोटो यहीं से खींचते हैं.
Apparently everyone over here hates me, so you know.
नहीं.
I don't know what's the point of me being here.
होता है भैया.
होता है ना? बताओ यार, कैसे लोग हैं? I think that one, this one hates me a lot. This one hates me a lot.
I don't.
Action से देखता नहीं.
हाँ, अच्छा तो लग रहा है.
मैं जज कर रही हूँ.
है ना?
I'll cut it out.
क्या चाहिए अरे?
No, me, not you.
What's the correct way of living the life?
The correct
Do
way
you
is
even
just
know?
doing what you want. The correct way is just looking like me. हाँ भाई.
Plastic surgery कराना है क्या?
This is all natural. It's my dad. अपना बात कर रहे हैं.
You have been doing makeup for the last 2 hours, by the way.
नहीं.
All I put on was blush and freaking I just curled
2
my
घंटा
lashes.
पहले उठा था हम लोग.
मैं सबसे पहले उठी.
6:55.
मैं सबसे पहले. What did I even put on?
कितना बजे?
I woke up at 6:43.
I woke up
I
at
6:30. I woke up at 6:30.
हाँ, और फिर वापस सो
To
गया.
turn off the alarm. उठना ही बोलता. उसके बाद I was hearing everything.
Vlog देख रही थी.
I was hearing everything उसके बाद. 6:45 का alarm भी मैं ही बंद किया.
You guys just arguing. I'm just there like this. मैं सबसे जल्दी उठी guys.
मेरा भी.
Oh, dude. View.
बस. बहुत मारी थी मैंने.
और कुछ लगा कंगी दे दो उसको.
किसका? हट गई.
ओए तेरा कंगी.
बंद कर दे फिर.
Judging you very hard. Disappointed Kushal.
Same. चुपा चुप खाओ भाई.
लंबी छोड़ी देखो लंबी.
चुपा चुप खाओ.
गड्ढा. Sorry.
Kushal, repeat that. What? Whatever you read.
If someone is hotter than you, then you are cooler than them. So he said, I am cooler than you.
No, then that's not a fact.
Okay, I love this perspective.
He is saying he is
I
hotter
think
than
I am the hottest and the coolest. Thank you.
Recording, okay. This is so artistic.
अभी realize हो रहा है.
I have pimples on my forehead.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2.
See the wizard. The one wizard of Oz.
सब ऐसे करो. Look at Sony when Kushal.
ये वाला walk करना.
So dyslexic, I read that as young man's hotel.
My father also thinks this.
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम तेरा.
सब कोई गाएगा ना.
Okay, बेटा हमारा.
इतना रिसर्च कुछ
तकलीफ. बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा मगर ये तो कोई न चाहता. पोज करो. लो तुम्हारा पोज खींचो. Daddy, post for me. As fast and ignore her.
such a minion.
Same. I'm not even visible.
I also did clap.
It's like you're always there for you. When the rain starts to pour, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before, I'll be there for you. Was it there for me too? Okay. मेरा जो. Okay.
Get set go, ये green light gang. करूँ मैं whatever I feel like man. सर इनकी सूरत मिले 3 भाई करा सारा सीन टाइट.
Is this my playlist?
मैंने करा कान कितने काम मेरे चले नाम गिरे बान में भी गिरे बॉम्ब लगे वियतनाम तेरे जान तेरे बदले. I forgot. Stop disturbing.
I can't hold back 'cause you've got this spell on me. I don't know what to believe. Kiss you once now I can breathe. 'Cause everything you do is magic. Everything you do is magic.
Kurieni.
Tan 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 tan. Kurieni.
Kurieni. Kurieni, 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 Kurieni. Kurieni.
Okay, guys. This is birth.
बुद्धा का बर्थडे.
Everyone say happy birthday.
बैटी बुद्धा's birthday.
Happy birthday.
बैटी बुद्धा मत बोल कोई ना कोई पीट देगा तो.
So this is what we've come to do. सब आ रहे?
सिर्फ हम दोनों आ रहे हैं.
यो
मैं अलग साइड पे बैठी हूँ because I am the god and they are the भक्त.
I am an. अरे अभी वो कौन बोली उसके ऐसे छेड़ने का बोला.
I am very offended. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 bhakts. All roads lead to Rome means whatever you do, however you do, you will end up dying. No. The only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Almost put me at the top of the world.
I love how he did that. That is on camera. Bro kept it there and he's busy tying his shoes. Does not care.
Oh,
बंद करने बोला तो चालू कर.
मम्मी ने बोला हेनरी बाहर मत जाओ, बट मैं तो हेनरी नहीं. मेरा नाम है
कल्लू कालिया.
कल्लू कालिया. कल्लू कालिया.
ये कल्लू कालिया गया.
कल्लू कालिया गैंग.
Glasses are sick.
Oh, I look good.
I am the view ना, क्या कर सकते हैं.
Disclaimer to anyone who tries to hate, she's only 15.
Or anything,
So I
any
will
wrong
Wait, how
thoughts.
old are you?
She's
Almost
17.
18.
You're almost 18.
Any wrong thoughts?
I am
Then
17.
you can have wrong thoughts about me. I'm 18.
He's 18. Hit him up.
It won't be.
Hit him up. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. How old are you? She's 17, you're 17, you're 17, you're 16.
I'm the adult in the group with including
worst
whether is
I am 15.
whether is.
You are the worst.
I know.
You are the,
I think so. No, commerce is not.
we're at the zoo.
9 and 11.
There are new concepts.
मैनेजमेंट का कॉन्सेप्ट
11 का
We're at the zoo.
10 and 2 है और 9 and 11.
Guys, look.
वो वीडियो का बटन नहीं दबाया भूल.
Kinder Joy, Tarun got, and I had Kinder Joy yesterday also. Yesterday I got, and I'm just eating Kinder Joy every day. This is what I got, by the way. This is a bookmark, I think. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? This is what Swarnim got. This is what Vedavi got.
This is what I got.
This is what Rishivya got.
This is non-veg.
The bear came to greet us. So cute. He's 1 hour.
Bro, he's peeing and I'm seriously. See, I got. It's a she or whatever, but I was trying to take a selfie with him and he peed on my face.
He didn't pee on you.
I'm still.
Where the hell that thing is?
We're making Viva in the middle of the zoo.
Masala रहेगा masala. And this is how we will waste half an hour of our precious tour.
This is how we will waste half an hour of our tour. It's a friggin' llama, guys. Would you all love me if I was... Look, there, no. Hello.
सब हाथ से ढक दो, कुछ मत दिखाओ.
She's just there.
It's like weather we.
Hi. I don't eat like that.
Would you guys love me if I was a llama?
I'm loving that llama also. That does not look like. I love llamas, bro.
An alpaca. It's not a llama. We're just uneducated. That's a huge and like fat.
Mine is
What is the name of the?
Yak.
Guys, would you all love me if I was a yak?
Yes.
I said that not too loud. Would you all love me if I was a yak?
Oh, dude, I will write. No.
Would you all love me? Would you love me if I was a yak?
Yeah.
Okay.
You would be very stinky.
I know. That's why.
I was gonna say I will.
This also is a bakri only. Look.
And we can't even see it.
It's not even there. It's.
No,
Bhai, it looks like.
different.
This is a. Nahin, bhai. Guys, would you still love me if I was boring and basic like these goats?
Yes.
They're not basic. Their horns are very, unique type of.
I think they're very peaceful and they mind their own business.
I don't think they're peaceful. They look.
They mind their own business.
You feel they're peaceful from and inside they're very violent. They might just.
They're probably overthinking. Oh, they're eating something. Me. Oh god, that's. Guys, would you love me if I was a snow leopard? Yes. Oh my god, look how cool they look.
They are crazy.
Bro, let's see it from there. No, सामने से.
Wow, guys.
मेरे को देख रहा है.
Wow, eye contact हो गया. नहीं मेरे को देख रहा है
मेरे को देख रहा था.
He does not care.
No one cares.
Look at how cool.
मैं तुमको देखूंगी.
Look at the aura, bro.
Oh, he's posing. He's diva, bro. इसका
मेरे को
काम.
देख रहा हूँ.
He's so fierce.
He's like, what are these?
I feel bad for them. They're like in a confined space for the rest of their lives. Like, what do they want again? I would be so uncomfortable if. Picture
Wait,
yourself.
privacy नहीं है.
It's getting creep.
Picture yourself in the place of the animal.
कोई कुछ privacy नहीं है.
That's a very good example to use in a speech, to be honest.
Yeah, I be like that. I be impromptu like that.
If I'm ever making a speech,
वो
I'm
देखो वो
using
खाना देने के लिए जगह बनाया है.
Okay, this is Kushal.
Hi.
This is Rishi
I
Bhaiya.
am Rishi Agarwal, the greatest of the great animals.
Bakri, goat. The actual Bakri, goat.
Thank you.
Hi.
क्या? हाँ.
Look at that chal man.
It wants to run in an open field. He looks so cool.
Would you love me if I was a cheetah? Yes. Would you love me if I was a cheetah?
I would ride you. Again, very wrong thing to say. I mean, but
He does not think before he speaks. Wait, tiger
Would you love me?
Wait. Tiger को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? चित्ता.
स्वर्णिम को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? देखो आकर चोच मारेगी. चिकन करेगी उसको.
Me.
मैंने तेरा मोमो खाया कल.
She's offended. She's offended.
Oh, the way her that wings. Seen her wings.
Hi. Okay. No. Bro does not care.
They are
Bro,
so cool. Their color code is so cool.
bro is
They have
not.
style. They have fashion sense.
क्या बोला?
I said Donald Trump.
Bro said
Donald Trump.
Look, Donald Trump.
Modi. This is my best. This is the best thing ever. It's a Himalayan wolf. Okay, guys, would you all love me if I was a Himalayan wolf?
I think I would pet you as well because wolves are fierce and they are just
Rishi
so cool
Bhaiya,
and
what would you
unique
think
and
of me if I
amazing.
was a Himalayan wolf?
I would think you as the same person as you. I think of you now.
Okay.
Annoying.
You are annoying.
I'm kidding. Dude.
Bro, they are so cool.
I love these. They are so cute. It's the way they're changed. It's like, would you love me if I was a Himalayan wolf?
I want to take that home, so I would take you home.
Okay. Like some look. Just look. Deख. Oh, never mind. हाँ. Okay, Taran देख.
Old wolves.
What?
The wise wolves. If you were a wolf today, because you are 15, 16 now.
So I would be a wise wolf.
Wise wolf.
Guys, if I was a wolf, I would be a wise wolf.
Because of your age, not because you are wise.
Kushal is.
Okay.
Oh, me.
Kushal.
Me and Kushal sometimes.
Yes. Oh, देखे जाओ. क्या चाहिए?
If I was a red panda, what would you guys do?
Yes.
You would yes.
Puchu.
I would keep it with me and I would feed you KFC.
It is so babu.
I wish I was a red panda. Whether you would feed me KFC.
I think they are okay.
अरे इखाना आए. चिड़िया. Busy.
Right. On the
Plan that we're not going to drop.
I don't care even if you reach at 7, I will eat KFC.
We were going to reach Siliguri and we're going to eat KFC because I haven't had KFC in, I don't know, I had last month only. Actually, I had in March only.
I'll have pizza.
तुम लोग चलो ना KFC. Well, but we're still going to KFC because we are cool like that. And also Anvisha loves KFC. Oh, hi guys. Say hi.
I'm tired.
He's tired. they're there because limited seating area. My hair, let's not talk about that, but it's okay. We went to the zoo. We went to
Zoo was amazing.
Zoo was really cool.
No, बहुत मजा आया zoo में.
Why?
I saw so many animals. Man. You
Now
should have left Kushal there. But he would have been happier.
you would have looked good with the langurs. I'm gonna talk about matras. What do you think? What matra do I give?
A.
You? You?
Huh?
What matra do I give?
Choti.
Choti. Whether be you? You? Okay, what matra does Rishi wanna be without matra?
Without a matra.
He's low key लेकिन बड़ा ही नहीं तो Swarnim gives off
Choti.
Swarnim is Choti. And whether is badi. Weather is very crazy. हाँ. And this is us while coming back. We were way too excited while going. अब हम लोग enjoying the weather. If you want to enjoy the weather, if you don't want to just सोना था celebrate भी कर सकते हो. But if you want to sleep, I have no problem. I can play this mix like a man. Sing us a song tonight, and we're all in the mood for a melody.
Now it's gonna get warmer and warmer. I hate the thought of that.
Oh yeah,
I love cold so much.
sing us a song tonight, while we're all in the mood for a melody. And you got us feeling alright. So long that you said it's love. You said it's love. You said it's love. You can use me. Kushal! Somebody break your heart. Looking like an angel, but you're savage, man. You kiss me, I know you don't give it too fast, but I still want that. My mama don't like you, and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, and now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like, show the peace sign. Everyone, please say bye to the vlog.
This is the end of the trip. The trip was indeed 100 out of 100. Swarnim is asleep by now.
She's asleep.
The trip was a roller coaster for me, man.
It was a very fun trip.
And I loved it.
Ending the trip with retro Bollywood is
I
best.
loved it. And I could not have
Tarun,
spent
for
a
some
month.
reason, has too much free time and knows every single song.
I love it.
So 5 people are speaking. They really don't know how videography works because everyone is speaking at the same time.
So like, we're gonna end this.
No, wait, I have to say something.
Okay, say.
I am very overwhelmed. I hope this trip never ends. But we have to end it.
But it is ending. Okay, guys, rate the trips. Okay, Swarnim has something to say.
He says it's 10 out of 10.
If this trip doesn't end, how will we go on other trips?
Yeah.
So one
Clock
trip
it.
has to end.
Tarun has a very
Okay, bye.
I did not rate the trip.
No one did. Only Swarnim rated.
Okay, rate the trip.
100 better. Infinity.
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 In the trip with Eli, full circle moments. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
She woke up.
She woke up. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. Bye.
Ta-da.